It's okay.
It's okay, baby.
It's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's gonna be okay. Yes. Yay! So this helps with cold and flu fighting, strong cells, and a huge vitamin C boost.
And I'm out here dying, so there's that.
You want mine?
No, I'm not too.
We don't need that fancy stuff.
Jenny just asked me if I was taking any of this stuff, and I was like, not really. Like, good vibes, and a marble like used to be so in, but it's just really not anymore. And then I don't know if y'all have ever noticed that, but it's just like a weird spoon me thing on the wall. It's just like really cringy.
Yeah.
The only thing I'd probably take is this, but I would take these out of it. I don't really know what's going on over here. It's like a tropical rainforest coming out of this weird thing. But yeah, I think it's really cute how there's like, whatever. Anyways, I don't really know what we're packing and what we're not right now. I'll just update in a minute.
Okay.
Wow. It's cold.
Oh, that's a nice view.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh. Is this it?
Is this it?
Yeah.
Dude, it's gonna be so cool. Are you on a couch just to the TV here? Yeah.
That's gonna be so cool.
That has a weird smell.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the dinners are coming.
Tomorrow.
I was gonna make this totally Vsco place. Really? You should make the whole place like your room. That'd be pretty cool. It's gonna be really cozy.
It just looks bad.
Obviously,
It just looks like iffy right now because there's nothing in it.
Yeah, it is. It's really depressing in here. It is? Right now, yeah, it is. It's not depressing when the sun's out. It's actually really not, don't you think?
Yeah, and when like the sun is setting, it's all like warm.
It's way too cold in here right now. Yeah, it's actually really cold.
Yeah, see, you're not gonna be able to get it.
Yeah, it's like not that hard. I'm wearing sandals. Oh, I told you that it wasn't gonna work. You have to like. Oh, almost.
Is it dead?
No, I don't think so.
It's
Where'd it go? Someone go get it.
there. It's over. I think it's out of this.
Someone get it. Someone get it. Jack.
That's like fun.
Come on, that side. Right here.
I know, but I want the river in the background too, guys. So,
Please.
reach stand front of there.
Silver whisk and some measuring stuff. Or do you want like plastic won't last as long?
These will last.
These will be fine.
These will last.
Okay. Bamboo set, perfect.
You need a strainer?
Oh, I do need a strainer. This is all for my mac and cheese. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, we don't need anything else.
Cause all the shades of blue.
These are so pretty. Hello, everybody. So I did not vlog a lot today just because it was more of a lazy move-in day, but it's still really exciting. Anyways, I just wasn't doing a lot of vlogging because I did a lot yesterday, and moving is a lot harder than I thought. We just were at Bed Bath & Beyond for about an hour trying to get a few more essentials. So like, I guess we're kind of getting into the decorating stage. But yeah, we were just too tired to go to Target after because we were supposed to go to Target after and get a few more things. But it's just a lot. Like, we moved a lot of my boxes at home. We did one trip from my house to here today, and then we just went to Bed Bath & Beyond and got all of this stuff. So we got some stools, we got like kitchen cleaning stuff, pots, pans, cookie trays, and like some other basic stuff. So Danny and Jenny are going to the car right now to get the other stuff, and I'm gonna start unboxing stools because we're gonna put the stools together tonight. So I didn't really vlog today just because my camera was dying and I didn't have time to charge it, and also my charger was here and I slept at my parents' house, my mom's house. So yeah, I woke up at 6:45, I drove my brothers to school, and then I went and worked out. We did stairs today, which is just really hard. And then I went back to my mom's house and I showered. I did a little editing and uploading the whole schedule to upload because there's no Wi-Fi here. And I just made, not my first official meal because we had avocado toast last night, but like alone my first meal. I have some avocado toast and carrots, and I also am snacking on some Cheez-Its and grits. So I still have a lot of boxes in my room that I need to unpack, and it's kind of a mess. Let me show you the mattress that I picked out at Art Van. They just delivered it. I have my Vsco girl. I need to get rid of those. Anyways, I have a lot of stuff that I need to organize in here. Yeah, those are like diaries. But we got the mattress. I have to leave pretty soon because traffic is definitely picking up. Okay, anyways, have a great day. Bye. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. I'm so tired and I feel really bad because I feel like I'm just being really fake. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Bye, I love you.
Should like make scrambled eggs first. You don't eat eggs, do you?
I don't even eat. I'm like, ew.
Yeah, but like, but I'll make myself eggs.
It was like, it was on full status. And then he was like, and you're like, oh, thank you for that.